Hello bird-loving friends, welcome back to the Bird Castle channel. Today we're gonna be exploring beauty and the uniqueness of the Northern Cardinal
which is also
known as the red bird. Don't forget to press the subscribe button so as not to miss content interesting around the world. The bird's cardinal of the north is one of the most striking birds, with a bright red color to its feathers. Males usually have more striking colors compared to females. They're found in North America and become one of the bird's permanent residents in many areas. This bird has special characteristics that are easy to recognize. In addition to the striking red, they also have black patches on the face and wings, give an elegant impression to their appearance. Don't be surprised if they're often the attraction main in the parks and the homepage. Northern Cardinal bird, famous for their beautiful singing. Males often sing melodic songs too, attracting female attention. We'll also discuss their behavior in the wild and how they interact with their fellow birds. What do they eat? How do they find food? We will answer patanyon while discussing their natural habitat. Bird cardinals often like the area close to water and forest. Unfortunately, the bird population, the Northern Cardinals, are facing several threats. We're going to discuss conservation that was done to protect this bird and how we can contribute in maintaining the sustainability of their populations. For those of you who are interested in maintaining and get the Northern Cardinal bird shouldn't be sold as pets, because most areas prohibit arrest and the wild bird trade. But if you're interested to have a legitimate cardinal bird, looking for sellers who work with conservation programs can be a more ethical alternative. Risks and impacts of buying and selling wild birds. Taking wild birds from their natural habitat can cause serious impacts on the population. In addition, wild birds often do not well adapted in captive environments, so sell and buy a bird. Northern Cardinals was not a recommended practice. Tips to tame a cardinal bird. If you guys have a bird cardinals who need to be tamed for a specific reason, here are some tips. Patient and gentle. Cardinal birds tend to fear humans. Be patient and gentle in your approach. Careful handling. Avoid forcibly catching or chasing birds. Let them approach you willingly. Give food. Use food as a way to build trust. Offer grains or fruits that they like. Maintain starting distance. Start by maintaining a safe distance and slowly build their trust. Beauty of wild birds in nature. Finally, let's remind ourselves of the beauty of cardinals in the wild. See them free, wander around, and interact with its natural environment. Gives priceless joy and wonder. Interesting facts of Northern Cardinal birds, or known as the most popular singer in the bird world. The fact of a melodious song. Northern Cardinals are known for their melodious singing and beautiful manly, often express themselves through a series of songs which consists of various tones. This isn't just to attract females, but also gives distinctive features to the areas that they inhabit. A charming fact of two shades of red. Bright red color in birds cardinals are not only striking, but it also has a role in the hierarchy and the communication between them. Males with more striking colors tend to have a more dominant position in the group. The fact of 3 faithful occupants in the winter. Northern Cardinal bird is one of the bird's faithful residents in winter. Their ability to survive cold temperatures and foraging for food in the winter made them a symbol of courage and resilience. Facts for unique eating habits. Although grains are their favorite food, cardinal birds also love fruits and little insects. Combination of these diverse diets helps them get a balanced nutrition throughout the year. Facts 5 faithful life partners. Northern Cardinals are renowned for allegiance. Their partner, males and females, form a strong bond and often stay together throughout the year. They are often seen helping each other in looking for food and caring for the offspring. That's a review of a Northern Cardinal bird, otherwise known as the red bird, and favorite food, as well as some interesting facts about birds. Cardinal of the North, the most popular singer in the bird world. Don't forget to share experiences or your guys' additional knowledge about birds. This in the comment section. See you guys in the next video, where we'll continue to dig into the unique and the wonders of the bird world. Don't forget to give a like if you guys enjoy this content, and drop a comment about your experience with this bird. See you guys in the next video, and always maintain the preservation of nature.